Hey guys, and good morning from this beautiful forest near Antalya, Turkey. First thing first, this video is gonna be in English, so for my French viewer, please activate the subtitles right here. Today I'll be presenting you this 42 years old Ford Transit MK2 and his owner Bram. He's Belgian and he wants to go straight to India with his transit.
Hey man, my name is Bram.
Hey Bram, how are you, man?
Fine, nice to meet you. I'm going to India from Belgium.
So we just seen this transit. It's 42 years old and it's running like a newborn baby.
It is my baby, it's my child. Before I left Belgium, somebody offered me a lot of money to buy it, but I said no. A lot of people think I'm crazy, but you cannot sell your babies to just a random stranger, so...
I'm so pumped about it, like that's why I do videos, that's why I do van life, so let's jump right into the presentation.
Jump into it! It's crazy, I love this van so much. Hey, my name is Bram, I'm 24 years old and this is my Ford Transit MK2. He's 42 years old, so it means it's from 1979. And I have a dream to drive it from Belgium to India. I worked on this van for more than 1.5 years and finally it's ready, and this is how I did it and what's inside it. So check it out, shall we? First things first, let's open the roof. Then we can stand up and get some better shots. Really easy, it's set up in like 1 minute.
Okay guys, I paused the video for 10 seconds to really tell you to go and check out Bram's YouTube channel, Transit Travels. His messages are really worth it.
We have some closets with some clothes and some random stuff, some music instruments in here. Next to the big closet we have a sink. I can survive pretty long off-grid with these 60 liters of water underneath my car. Underneath here we have some more cooking stuff and some medicines, some glasses. It's really nice because I can fold it away really easily, and now I have just some workspace, some space to put my books or my laptop or whatever. Above my sink, underneath here, I have also my water tank level. I can see always how much water I have still left. I think this is like around 20 liters. So, still enough to survive in the forest, you know.
Burger grills, yeah!
On the other side, we can fold open something else as well. Here folds open a sort of stove. Here is where I cook every day. I make a lot of rice. I'm vegetarian, so I don't cook meat.
What is the thing up? Like the
speaker, my surround system.
No man.
Yes, I installed myself a surround system.
That's awesome, dude.
Yeah, I love music. Music is really important for me. So while I'm traveling alone, I need to have some good music and some good speakers. Underneath here, I had a fridge, but I didn't use the fridge so much, and so I sent it home. Now it's just an empty closet with a full of food. This carpet, I bought it in Istanbul. It's so beautiful.
The van gets better and better with the travels.
Yeah, for sure. I collect always some things. Right here we have two different lamps for two different situations. This one is a strong light for if I'm doing at night something that's like cleaning or cooking. I need to have a lot of light. And when I'm reading, I like more this light. It's really dim. Maybe you don't see it now, but it's really nice and cozy. I love it. Yeah, it's crazy good. Both sides of my van I have two nice beautiful benches. I chill always in these, and it's so nice that I have like windows all around my van, so I never miss a view, and that's amazing. I sit here and read books or do some stuff cooking while I have beautiful views. This is so luxury home on wheels, and I can park it everywhere I want. So yeah, we have two beautiful benches. I'm sitting in one of now. They're completely convertible to a bed. I will show you in a bit. But first let's check what's behind the seat. Behind this seat we have, for example, a foldable solar panel, an outdoor seat, a table for outdoors, a cable for my solar panel, and one of my very precious feathers that did not supposed to be there. I had 2 of those. One time I invited a girl into my van and she stole one of them. She needs to watch this video and I'm gonna tell her that I hate you. So...
Was the night good?
Oh, I want to show you something. Maybe there's also... Do you have a heater in your van?
I do, man.
I don't have a heater in my van, but I have a solution. For all those people that don't have a heating system in their van like me, this is a solution. What is this, Bram? What are you showing? Well, I'm gonna answer your question. This is a heating pad. So it works on USB. You just plug it in a power bank or in your car, and then this pad becomes warm, and you just put it into your sleeping bag or with your clothes when you're walking or hiking, and this saves my life. Without heating system in a car, this is a must-have, and it's really cheap. I bought it for like €5 and it's good. Protections for the window so that the sun cannot come in. When it's really hot I use them. I can completely black out my car, so I can even sleep during the day. It's not getting really warm in my car. I made it myself. On the other side we have the same. We have some storage underneath, and behind my seat we have also some stuff. For example, what I really like is a table. I take these 2 parts. This one just goes in the hole. That's what she said. And this one goes on top. That's maybe also what she said. But bam, table, right there. And here I'm sitting and editing my videos, Untitled Travels. So you have this front seat where you just normally sit when you're driving. Put that over there. And it's also my bed. So you slide it to the front.
Oh. I would have never said that, man.
Then I cover it up.
Ready to rock and roll. Oh man, it's a big bed.
Yeah. And I have another bed on the other side, so I can fold it over the driver's seat as well. And to make one really big bed, I just take the table and instead of putting it on the pole, everything a bit together, I have another wooden plank that goes here. This cushion comes here then, and I have one big bed if you fold this one down as well. Big bed.
Master bed.
Master bedroom. Welcome to my master bedroom.
Oh yeah.
I can fold open here.
Where is it? Where do you put?
And clicks into here.
Oh, like here.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Ah, amazing. But I can look outside.
So how happy are you of the van life, man?
Really happy. It's my lifestyle. It's first before I started traveling, it was like, oh, van life. They use this like the whole time saying, oh yeah, it's like van life. But now living the van life, I really feel that's really different, and it's amazing. I love it. Now I'm also like all into van life. First I thought it was like a group of people that saw themselves like van life, but it's not a group of people. It's more like a lifestyle. So that's what I learned especially about van life.
That's amazing.
Did you ever saw a van with this feature?
No man, first time. I fucking love it. It's awesome.
That's already 40 years old. This is also 40 years old.
I'll do all my nap here, I think, man.
I understand this question. Why don't I have a tank for my grey water? How do you call it?
Yeah, grey water, yeah.
Yeah, why do I have not a tank for my grey water? I would not have this. I would not put this in my van. Why not? I use ecological soap that's good for the nature, and then why would I not put it into the nature? The engine here inside, I will show you in a bit, is a Ford Pinto with 120 horsepower. So I don't need to worry to do some mountains. I can drive on a flat area. If I have the good benzene, then I can drive around 160 kilometers an hour. So from the outside it looks like an old car, but it's upgraded with all the newest features. I have two big batteries here. They're both 95 amp hour. I have two, so I have almost a 200. I put them in myself. They were way too big to fit in the original locks of the battery, so I did my own thing. And here we have my engine. Before I bought this car, I didn't even know anything about cars. I started learning on the internet, started reading some books, watched a lot of YouTube videos, and now I know everything about this engine. That's the advantage of an old car. The engine and the electronics is really easy. If you buy a newer car, something breaks, it's really hard to fix it yourself, and it's gonna cost a lot of money, especially if you're in a different country. But with an old-timer, an old car, classic car, easy. There are always parts everywhere, especially here in Turkey. This car is really popular for Turkey. If you're living in a small van, be sure to use all the space you can. If you see somewhere that could be used, try to figure it out to store some things in there. So that's what I tried.
Exactly. You haven't told us how long it took to build the project. So from Belgium to India, so that's about 20,000 kilometers.
Yes.
Maybe more.
Yeah.
All right, great. So that was the project of Bram. Thank you for watching this.
But my whole story begins when I did my internship in South Africa, and there I discovered how big the world is and how many different cultures there are. And while I was this half a year in South Africa, whoa, my mind changed completely. I needed to adapt to the culture that was in South Africa, and when I came back to Belgium after half a year, I needed to adapt again to the culture of Belgium, and it was so strange for me. And this completely changed up my mind. And then I started working in this office as a programmer, and I was so much stress, and I needed to do so many tasks that I did not like. And while I was studying for informatics, I liked it, yeah. But when I came into the job, it was like, oh no, I need to listen to this guy, and stress, and then I decided to buy this van. And while I was working, I came back from a whole day of working, 8 hours a day. I came back and started working on this van, and this for like a year straight. And my mind was so set to do this trip that everything that I did in my life back then, this whole year, was for this trip. I set all my money aside. I still live with my parents, and I bought only things with the mindset from, can I use this during my trip? No, okay, then I don't buy it, I don't need it. So everything I did for during this trip. And this is really important for me, because you need to follow your dreams. Yeah. If you're not following your dreams, how can you become happy in your life? Yeah, you can become happy, but if you follow your dreams, then you can be so much more happy. And it's not about the end destination of your dream, it's not the end goal of the dream, it's the way there that makes you happy. So I liked so much to work on this van. I took everything out, I worked everything, I did everything again and cleaned everything, and yeah, it's the way to your dream that's really important. If you like that, you can finish every dream you want.
Oh man, I'm so glad I met you.
Yeah, I'm so glad to meet you, man.
It's like so inspiring. Like, I don't know, I do totally agree with that. Like, follow dreams, and if you don't go for them, they will not come to you. Like, just go get them and be happy. And I mean, I personally think that you have to be happy every day, and if you're happy every day, then you will be happy the next day, and then your life will be positive all the way. And like, you're doing it, like you're showing it every day that positivity is the way to enjoy your life. Not even make it. Like I don't care about making or being great or whatever. It's just being happy and enjoying what you do. And that's, I mean we're not in today in a situation where we are actually in a situation where people can be so negative, so depressed, so unhappy. And a project like yours, many people would have said, like, because of the situation I can't travel, I can't go, I can't do it, I can't. And now you're saying, no, I will.
They're just excuses.
Yeah.
Maybe it looks hard to travel right now, but I crossed during Corona 15 borders without any problem.
Yeah. No fear.
No fear, nothing. I just went for it, and always I didn't have any problem. On the internet it was saying like, oh, this border is closed, you cannot go here, it's closed, stay away here. I drove there with this information in mind. I still tried it and
it worked.
It worked.
Yeah,
it worked.
Man,
yeah.
Wow. I don't know how long this video is gonna take. I don't know, but it's so interesting that I'm not gonna cut a lot. I think I'm gonna put a lot of what we said in the video. So maybe it's gonna be like half an hour video. Or maybe. Good. Yeah, exactly. I hope.
I can tell so much more.
Yeah, exactly. I hope you're still watching. I hope people are still there watching and listening to us, because it's so fucking important what we're saying. I think like just be happy, don't care about what the other thinks about you, enjoy your life, and you're like a perfect example of it. Like I love it.
So for everybody, follow your dreams. I don't tell you to also start traveling, I tell you to follow your dream.
Yeah, for sure.
I have also a YouTube channel, it's called Transit Travels. It's all about following the dream. I try to show you that everything is possible in life. There is nothing limited, nothing is limited. So please go for your dream. That is what you're gonna make you every day happy.
Alright, man. I think that ends this video. Thanks,
Come on, man. Give me a hug.
So happy, man.
Okay, this was everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. So leave a comment and subscribe, give a thumbs up. But for now, I hope you'll always see the light of stars, follow your dreams, and until next time, YouTube. Ciao!
I love it, man. Do you do that always?
Always.
And the next time, YouTube.